What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the maintenance reminder, which is typically done after an oil change, on a 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. So we'll need the vehicle off. Then when I come over here, and I'll be using these buttons on the dash right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the menu button right here. And then you'll see the trip is displayed on the dash. I'm going to use the up or the down arrow, doesn't matter either one. Use those and keep scrolling until we get our maintenance reminder, the interval, which is left. It's this one that has this little wrench right here. Once we have this screen up, I'm going to press and hold down the menu button until that wrench starts blinking. Once that wrench is blinking, release the button and then just press it one time. And then you can see there it says clear, and that's going to let you know that it's been reset. The other thing I'm going to cover in another video is how to adjust the interval if you want to change the time or the distance, and I'll put that video in the description of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.